Hey guys, today let's try to find draft posts on your Facebook. So if you guys are wondering how to find the draft post that is going to be located, or the ones that you post and basically discard or save as a draft over on your Facebook application, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So what we need to go ahead and do first is to launch the Facebook application, and once we're already here, what I want you guys to go ahead and do is to tap on your option over here on the top to make a post. Now it is going to say what's on your mind. Basically, we're going to go ahead and tap on that. If you do have a specific post that you have saved as a draft, so let's go ahead and make one as a quick example. And if you want to go ahead and locate where that is easily going to be located right here as well. As you could see, once you tap on your create post option, the option for you to access and find your draft posts is also going to be located right here, ready for you to rewrite and edit your draft. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.